Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Nissan Rogue maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and there's a button right here. I don't know if you can see that. I apologize first for the lights, but there's a button right here. There's actually two on the left and on the right. Go ahead and use the right. Let me get closer, and just keep pressing the right button until you get here to setting. Now turn it. It also acts as a knob, so turn it once, and when you get here, keep turning until you get to maintenance, and then now you press on it and you go to service. Scroll down to service, enter on it, scroll down to reset, enter on that, and there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.